Proceed with WDU installation of each unit by pushing the button to check the set position. Attach the WDU in the position indicated by the LED. The WDUs on the right or left sides of the indicator only show which side to put them on. It does not matter which one goes to the front or rear side position. Once WDUs have been installed, walk the perimeter of the vehicle confirming that the WDU placed in each location is set to that location. Push and release the button on the WDU. The red LED indicates where the WDU location is set. Confirm that the indicated location and the install location match. If it is necessary to change the assignment position of the WDU, first push and hold the control button for 2 seconds. The red LED will start to blink. Push the control button to toggle to a new assignment position. Wait for 2 seconds and the red LED will stop blinking. Check the set location on the WDU and install the WDU in the set position. Attach the WDUs to the hook and loop patches on the turret in their assigned position. Attach the tether wire to a suitable attachment point near the WDU. Place the Vehicle Interface Module or VIM assembly on the shelf behind the commander's position. The VIM bracket magnets will attach the VIM assembly to the turret. Route the W1 towards the VIM on the right side of the turret. Connect cable W1 to the VIM connector V3. Position the control module or CM on the center wall post behind the loader. Route the CM cable to the VIM following the same routing as the W1 cable. Connect the CM to the VIM connector V2. Elevate the gun to get better access to the Power Distribution Box or PDB. Route cable W11 PDB UJ6/7 in under the radio rack along the left side of the turret behind the backup glass particle tube, then up towards the PDP. Connect cable W11 PDB UJ6/7 to PDB connector UJ6 or UJ7. Connect cable W11 to the VIM connector V1. Slide the turret position sensor or TPS into position on the turret race ring to the right of the commander's position. Fit the clamp around the support bracket. Gently push the TPS against the turret race ring. Check that the cogwheel grips into the turret race ring. There should be a small gap between the TPS wheel and the turret race ring. Tighten the TPS locking knob. Split the cable W13 into 2 branches. Keep the cable branches W13 TPS and W13 blasting machine together. These will connect to equipment on the right side of the turret. Keep the cable branches W13 FCEU TJ2 and W13 radio MCS together. These will be connected to equipment on the left side of the turret. Starting from the VIM, route cable W13 radio MCS from the VIM along cable W11 and continue routing the cable to the Master Control Station or MCS. Connect the cable to the lines terminal on the MCS by loosening the terminal knobs on the MCS, inserting the cables into the terminals and tightening the knobs. Insert the terminal between the washer and bolt and tighten the bolt using a 7/16" wrench. Remove the 4 screws on the Improved Fire Control Electronics Unit or IFCEU electronic shield and remove the shield. Starting over from the VIM, route the cable W13 FCEU TJ2 from the VIM along the cable W11. Continue routing the cable along cable W11 all the way down to the radio rack to the left of the gun. Lower the gun to get better access to the IFCEU. Route the cable towards the front center of the turret. Route the cable along the floor to ensure clearance when gun is set to max elevation. Connect cable W13 FCEU TJ2 to FCEU TJ2 connector. Reinstall the electronic shield over the IFCEU. Starting over from the VIM, route cable W13 blasting machine forward along the right side of the turret. Continue routing cable W13 blasting machine to the right side of the GPS. Disconnect the manual firing device cable. Connect the W12 to connector blasting machine to the manual firing device connector. Connect the W13 to blasting machine cable to the disconnected manual firing device cable. Secure the cabling to the manual firing device connector with a strap. Starting over from the VIM, route cable W13 TPS from the VIM forward, following cable W12 blasting machine. Connect cable W13 TPS to the TPS. Pull any cable slack on any of the W13 branches back towards the VIM. Connect cable W13 to the VIM connector V4. Arrange cables behind the VIM and tighten straps. Attach one crew kill module or CKM on a hook and loop patch onto the turret ceiling centered above the gun breech. Attach the other CKM on a hook and loop patch on the ceiling to the left of the driver in the driver's station. Check that the TNB-PDB utility power switch is in the on position. Turn on the vehicle master power. Turn on the power switch on the VIM. Turn on the turret power. Make sure MCS power is turned on. Check the CM and make sure that there are no errors. Navigate to the TE menu on the control module and ensure that all wireless units show up as connected. This concludes the install section for CVTESS on the Abrams vehicle.